I've lost the end off the cutter.
But yeah, there's a lot missing off here. Bit extra.
Can you remember, like about a year ago, we had loads of tips for the plasma cutter? Remember, we had a big bag of them.
Yeah.
Do you remember what they were in?
In a white box.
In a white box. Right. So I got to look for a white box. Shit, a white box. That's what he wants me to find. No.
Need a different one.
You need a different one.
It's got 6 teeth on it.
Ah, right. Yeah, round there in the toolbox. Star drives there.
Right.
These things.
That's it.
Yeah, well, there's the drawer.
Thanks.
Found some rummaging. This is because we keep it all in size. Like this is an 8mm and this is a 11mm, and it was just so we just put it so it works out. This is small here, and then it gets bigger. Well, that's how the toolbox works as well. It's small spanners there, go down in, and bigger spanners down there. Because obviously you put bigger spanners at the bottom because they're heavier. And this is the return section. You return everything in here, and eventually it ends up in here. That's what happens. Yeah, that one looks like it. Yeah, shine the camera on me. Right, now let me just explain this, because everyone I know takes a mick out of my toolbox. But I'm older than you are, so this is an upgrade from a plastic bucket, because that's what I used to have when I started. Okay? Do you understand now?
Give us a toolbox tour.
What, every drawer?
Just drawer by drawer, point out what it is.
Well, I don't know, because it's quite random. You just chuck it all in there, and you've got a squirter on there, and then you've got bits in there, and then you've got screwdrivers, little sockets, spanners, big sockets, pliers and stuff. That's it.
What's down there?
Heavy stuff. We can't pick that up at the moment because I'm not allowed to lift anything heavy. Do you want me to find it?
I need to do it quietly
Yay! White box my ass. Where is he?
It was in a white box. The ceramic.
No, I won't argue with you. In a white box.
In a white box.
In a white box, in a red one.
It might be in a red box.
Look at this, we never even opened the packet.
We bought 4,000.
I know, there's a red box full of them. Right, we can put that together and get it.